So, Jordan, there's a Patricia, there's the traffic, there's the speed limit, ometer thing. So we're gonna go into my neighborhood. So we're on Front Beach Road right now. There's some people on bicycles that I passed like a mile back, and they just now passed me. There's condos. That's the one in front of my neighborhood, actually. That's Wyndham. And we'll be there soon. Okay? And we'll be there soon. So let's just wait. Let's go sideways. 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 There's the radio. Let's change the station. Yeah. There's Funland. 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 Look at it. Look at it. Funland. That's where we used to go with my dad when we were little. And this was the Peaks Motel, and then it's changed owners like 30 times now. There's a new restaurant that always causes traffic. Right up there on the left. There's Alvin's Island, where there's like a million of those things everywhere. There's a truck pulling out. Now I'm slowing down. It's got redneck stuff on the side of it. And then, whenever traffic's bad like this, I get to cut through this parking lot to get into my neighborhood. Let's do this. Here's their old warehouse. There's the beach. So this is now my neighborhood. There's one of those new houses they've been building. There's a golf cart. Here's this new house where it's like the backyard is flat, but the driveway's all crooked and stuff. So now I'm gonna go left. Down there is also Front Beach. Now to get to my street, we just go straight down this way. And then there's a Mustang and a stop sign. Here's one of those new cool houses they put on one lot, two houses on one lot. And here's a speed bump. There's a kitty. I think that's one of our cats. It is one of our cats. Okay, so now my street is right here, so I turn left. And there's our neighbor Vicky. She lives right there. There's Mom's car. There's Nicholas's Jeep. There's our house. There's my truck. Nana's shed. Front house. And so now I'm home. Well, Nana's home. There's the front window. My truck.